Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kumur, and now we are going to do automation testing on Eclipse.gg application. Okay, so let's open the website first. Okay, this is Eclipse.gg. What we are going to do to automate is the first we going to doing automation for checking if all of these components like the icon, navigation bar, sign up button or sign button, and like the other text, and also the footer is successfully loaded. Okay, so let's open the code. Okay, here's the code. On this change, I'm using Python and Selenium for this automation task. Okay, so at the first, let's try test when let's clear this terminal. Then we run test. Python test. Okay. Nah, Firefox browser opens, and then Selenium checking for the elements that loaded on this web application. Now, we can see the process. The first, it's navigating to https eclipse.gg, and then it verifies if the first, okay, this one, it verify if the page title contains Eclipse. The title contains Eclipse, and then logo is visible. And then the second one, it's checking the logo. Okay, this is the locator. It's searching for image that contains alternative name. The value of the alt tag is Eclipse. Okay. And then this is printed, and then navigation bar. Okay, navigation bar, this locator, and then this printed, and then when the call to action button start for free. Okay, it locates for start for free button. If you see this one, this is call to action. Okay, and then the last one is checking the by tag name. The locator check by tag name. Okay, let's see if this tag, there's a tag with name footer. There's a tag, footer tag. it pass, and then the result is pass. So this test is pass. And then let's try login test. Login test, yes. Okay. Let's do it manually first. Okay, click the sign in button. And then why this one takes a lot of time.